Hello students, in last lecture we have seen null spaces. Recall, null space of A equal to set of x such that A into x equal to 0 where x belongs to r raised to n. Here x is nothing but the solution set of A into x equal to 0. Also we have seen one theorem. Null space of an ambient matrix is a subspace of r raised to n. Null space of an ambient matrix is a subspace of r raised to n. Now example for null space. First, determine whether u equal to -7, 3, 2 is in null space of A where A equal to 1, -1, 5, 2, 0, 7, -3, -5, -3, 3 by 3 matrix. To show that or to determine u equal to -7, 3, 2 is in null space of A or not, for that calculate A into u. If you get A into u equal to 0, then you can say that u is in null space of A. Now calculate A into u. A is 1, -1, 5, 2, 0, 7, -3, -5, -3 into u -7, 3, 2, which is equal to -7 -3 plus 10. Second, -14 plus 0 plus 14. Next, 21 -15 -9. Sorry, -6, not -9, equal to 0, 0, 0. Here we get A into u equal to 0, which implies u equal to -7, 3, 2 is in null space of A. Second example, let W be a set of all vectors in R4 whose coordinates A, B, C, D satisfy the equation A minus 2B equal to 4C, 2A equal to C plus 3D. Test whether W is a subspace of R4. W is the set of all vectors in R raised to 4. Here variables are nothing but the A, B, C, D which are belongs to R4. Means W equal to set of A, B, C, D such that write these two equations. A minus 2B equal to 4C, 2A equal to C plus 3D. We have two equations, A minus 2B equal to 4C and 2A equal to C plus 3D, which implies A minus 2B minus 4C equal to 0. Next, 2A minus C minus 3D equal to 0. We have already seen one property, that the set of solution set A into x equal to 0 is a subspace of R raised to n. We know that the set of solution of A into x equal to 0 is a subspace of R raised to n. N means number of the variables. This is nothing but the homogeneous system and the solution set is nothing but the A, B, C, D. So W is a subspace of R raised to 4 because W is nothing but the in the form of A into x equal to 0. That's why we can say that W is a subspace of R raised to 4. Next point, column space of a matrix. Definition: the column space of an M-bind matrix A is the set of all linear combinations of the column vectors of A. It is denoted by COL of A, means column space of A. Thus, if A equal to A1, A2 and so on An, first column, second column and so on nth column, then column space of A is the set of all linear combinations of A1, A2 and so on An. In other words, column space of A equal to span of A1, A2 and so on An. Means column space of A is nothing but the linear combination of the A1, A2 and so on An. Next theorem: the column space of an M-bind matrix A is subspace of R raised to M. Proof: we know that if V1, V2 and so on Vp are in vector space V, then span of V1, V2 and so on Vp is a subspace of V. This is the general statement. We have seen the property span of V1, V2 is a subspace of V. And for general, span of V1, V2 and so on Vp is a subspace of V, where V is the vector space. Here, the column vectors A1, A2 and so on An of columns of A. Here why we take A1, A2 and so on An? Because given matrix A is nothing but the M-bind matrix. N means number of the columns. Here A1 means first column of matrix A. Similarly for A2, An for second and so on nth columns of matrix A. A1, A2 and so on An of columns of A are in the vector space R raised to M, and we know that span of V1, V2 and so on Vp is a subspace of V. That's why span of A1, A2 and so on An is a subspace of Rn, which implies span of A1, A2 and so on An is a subspace of Rn. And span of A1, A2 and so on An is nothing but the column space of A, which implies column space of A is a subspace of Rm, where A is the M-bind matrix. Next remark. First, a vector in column space of A is a linear combination of columns of A. That is A1, A2 and so on An, and it is A into X for some X. So a vector in column space of A can be written as A into X. Next remark, column space of A is the range of the linear transformation X to A into X. Next, the column space of an M-bind matrix A is Rm if and only if the equation A into X equal to B has a solution for each B in Rm. Next example, let A equal to 3 by 3 matrix -3, -2, 0, 0, 2, -6, 6, 3, 3 and B equal to 1, 14, -9. Determine whether B is in column space of A. Now, recall first remark. A vector in column space of A is a linear combination of column space of A. That means A into B equal to, or A into X equal to B if we get values of x, then we can say that B is in column space of A. Now consider augmented matrix A augmented B. Consider A augmented B. A is -3, -2, 0, 0, 2, -6, 6, 3, 3 and B is 1, 14, -9. Now reduce it into row echelon form. Reduced it into row echelon form. We get, just a minute. First row operation R3 plus 2 R1. First two row as it is, only changes in third row. -3, -2, 0, 1, 0, 2, -6, 14 and third row become 0, -1, 3, -7. Next row operation is R2 upon 2, which take place in second row. First row as it is, second row become 0, 1, -3, 7 and last row as it is 0, -1, 3, -7. Next row operation is R3 plus R2. First two row as it is, -3, -2, 0, 1, 0, 1, -3, 7, 0, -1, 3, sorry, 0, 0, 0. You can see that -3, -2, 0, 1, 0, 1, -3, 7, 0, 0, 0. Convert it into equation. Means -3x -2y, 0 into z, 0 equal to 1. Next y -3z equal to 7. Next in the form of 0, 0. Therefore given system is consistent because it has solution. Therefore given system A into x equal to b is consistent, that is it has solution. Which implies B belongs to column space of A. Next example, find a matrix A. Find matrix A such that following set B minus C, 2B plus C plus D, 5C minus 4D, D such that B, C, D belongs to real number is column space of A. Given B minus C, 2B plus C plus D, 5C minus 4D, D. Now first take B common and put C equal to 0, D equal to 0, we get 1, 2, 0, 0. Next take C common and put B and D equal to 0, we get -1, 1, 5, 0. Next take D common, we get 0, 1, -4, 1. This is nothing but the span of 1, 2, 0, 0, -1, 1, 5, 0, 0, 1, -4, 1. Because B minus C, 2B plus C plus D, 5C minus 4D, D is the linear combination of these three vectors. That's why we can say that span of 1, 2, 0, 0, -1, 5, 0, 0, 1, -4, 1. And span of this vector is nothing but the column space of A, and for column space of A is the matrix whose columns are nothing but these three vectors. But the vectors in the spanning set are columns of A, Therefore, A equal to first vector, first column of A. 1, 2, 0, 0, second vector, second column, -1, 1, 5, 0, and third vector, third column of matrix A, 0, 1, -4, 1. 4 by 3 matrix. Next example. For the matrix 4 by 2 whose entries 2, -6, -1, 3, -4, 12, 3, -9. First, find K such that column space of A is a subspace of Rk. Second, find K such that null space of A is a subspace of Rk. Solution. We know that for M by n matrix A, null space of A is a subspace of Rn, and column space of A is a subspace of Rn, where n is the number of columns and m number of rows. Given matrix A is 4 by 2 matrix. Comparing with M by n, we get m equal to 4 and n equal to 2. Therefore, null space of A is a subspace of n equal to 2, means subspace of R2. For null space of A is a subspace of R2, and column space of A is a subspace of R raised to m, where m equal to 4, means is a subspace of R4. So, we get null space of A is a subspace of R2 and column space of A is a subspace of R4. Means values of K for first is nothing but 4 and value of K for null space of A is nothing but 2. Here we stop.